Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just laying here chilling, thinking about everything. I'm not bored though. Like, I thought about one thing, like I'm almost never bored. Like, I cannot remember the last time that I was like bored. When I was a teenager and stuff, I could easily be, but now I always have something to do. I don't do anything that I don't want to do, and I don't know. I just thought about that, like, I cannot be bored. Always have something to do, always busy creating or, you know, planning something. And yeah. And another thing, by the way, that people keep bringing this up and asking me, like, why are you always alone? Why is no one there? Da 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 da. It must be this, it must be that. I love being alone. I love it. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I love my own company. I'm laughing. I'm having a good time. Everything just being by myself, doing things that I enjoy. Don't have to compromise with things that I like to do, or just like, you know, I don't know. I really enjoy being by myself. I have no problem with it. I choose it, by the way. Like, I always choose my own solitude. And yeah, I know that some people are not like that. They need to be around people constantly, or they're gonna feel some type of way. But I'm not like that. I'm the opposite. I have people in my circle, you know, a few people, but other than that, like, out here in France, I don't know anyone, first of all, in this country. So I'm by myself, and I love it. That's all I have to say about that. You guys can keep asking me different kind of questions if you're curious how that's possible, whatever. But yeah, but I'm getting a little sleepy. One thing though, it's getting warmer and warmer and warmer and warmer over here, and I want to go to the beach. So I'm gonna, I think I looked at the weather and it said it was gonna be warm. So I want to go to the beach for the very first time. I'm gonna bring you guys with me as always. We are going. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys tomorrow because it's late. So good night. I haven't even left outside yet, and I already feel like this is a bad idea. Stupid. It is sunny though, a little bit of clouds. Okay, so I'm here, you guys. I'm gonna go and fill the water and see if it's warm enough. Let's see. It doesn't look too bad. It looks nice. Oh, hell no. Okay, you guys, so now that I've been sitting here for a while, I honestly think that I'm gonna go in real quick. And then you guys told me that it's good with cold water because the water is cold right now, but it looks so nice. So I don't know, I might actually get in. You guys, I did it.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I wouldn't. It's actually not that bad when I'm going up. Like in the water, I'm not gonna lie, it's freezing. But up on the beach is nice. I'm proud of myself. Oh my god. This was the first swim. I just went in 2 times. First one of the year though. Oh my god. I'm crazy. So you guys, I totally forgot sunscreen, and this is my little sunscreen. I need to buy more, but I'm gonna put some on right now. We cannot get burned. I always get burned on my cheeks for some reason. Just a little bit like that. I cannot see anything, but I'm just relaxing. It's so nice.